Window cleaning is one of those chores that could use some innovation. Looking at a dirty window, fingerprints, streaks, water spots, it's annoying. And it can be dangerous if you have super tall windows. But there is a product that helps you solve this problem, and it solves it in the coolest way possible in my opinion. This is the WINBOT W2 PRO OMNI by Ecovacs, and this episode is all about it. Enjoy the episode. Let's quickly unbox this product. In the box, you'll get an instruction manual and a portable power station itself. Within the portable station, you'll find double-sided cleaning pads, the safety cable, as well as the power/charging cable. And yes, this power station has a built-in battery, so you can actually use it in the most portable way possible. And this entire unit is actually a first ever robotic window cleaner with a portable station setup. Underneath the power station, there's a suction cup. This allows it to stay firmly on the ground. And then there's also a magnetic door, which is the home to the robot itself. So I was really looking forward to test out the WINBOT on my own windows here, but due to the balcony construction project that is happening in my building, I haven't been able to get outside on my balcony because the railings are missing. It would have been really nice to clean these windows, but I'm gonna have to change locations to the family cottage and test out the product there. Let's get on the way. So I'm at the cottage. The power station is all charged up and ready to work. These windows have not been cleaned in a few weeks, so let's get inside the power station and start setting up. Alright, there is the robot. Obviously comes with some protection. Let's take this stuff off. Looking neat. Okay, let's get this set up. And right in there you got your cleaning solution as well. Has this nice little compartment. Perfect. It's a complete package. You can put it back in there. Let's turn it on. Perfect. We got the Ecovacs.
Thank you for choosing the Ecovacs robot. Before you start, please make sure to attach the wiping pad.
Pull it out. Go ahead and that's it. So yeah, it was that easy. This was my first time actually using the product, and at first you can tell that I was kind of scared of letting it go right away, but it actually attached pretty firmly. You just have to trust it. Cleaning wise, with one single wipe, look at how much it gets off my window here. One wipe and most of the time you are good to go. There are also a few different cleaning modes which you can navigate through the Ecovacs app and the power station itself if you don't want to connect it to your phone. And once you are all done cleaning, go ahead and press the cable retractor to pull the cable in. The cable is actually a strong cable too. It makes the robot a lot more safer to use. And the cable is 5.5 meters long, so it'll get to those higher spots. So windows are obviously hard to film, but in person, I see a big difference. After coming back from the cottage, I've actually tested the WINBOT W2 PRO OMNI on the lower half of my windows at my place. Since I can't step outside due to the balcony railings not being there, I just mounted the robot on the bottom half of the windows just to see what it could do. And here's what it can do with windows that has been in a construction zone for the past 6 months. I'm actually pretty impressed. WINBOT W2 PRO OMNI uses 3 spray nozzles that mist the glass wide, evenly and consistently. What I noticed is it doesn't oversaturate the window. The spray is controlled so you're not getting weird drips or puddles on the bottom of the frame. I've noticed the performance on the edges as well. It never leaves out the edges, which are the most eyesore parts of a window when windows are actually clean. That's where all the streaks end up. The WINBOT W2 PRO OMNI also has few different safety features as well. If you pull onto the robot, you'll notice that it doesn't come off with a light pull. It does have a suction power of 5,500 PA. You can also use the safety lock that the power station comes with, which Ecovacs recommends you to use. This way you can sort of anchor the power station. And additionally, if the battery goes down, you can plug it in and continue cleaning. Or if you don't, it goes back on the starting point and warns you. This means if the battery is lower on higher parts of the window, it won't just get stuck there, it'll come down so you can safely take it off. It's the little details that makes this product really easy to use. If you live in a condo with large windows, or if your sliding doors are always covered in fingerprints from the kids, or alternatively, if you are a homeowner who avoids climbing ladders, this will definitely come in handy. When Ecovacs introduced the WINBOT W2 PRO Omni to me, I didn't think I needed a window cleaning robot. It sounded like one of those products that seem cool but ends up in the closet eventually. But after using it, I get it. Every time I stick it onto a piece of glass, I'm reminded, oh right, I don't have to do this anymore. I've got a robot that can do the job. I can't wait until the day I can step out on my balcony and get my windows cleaned. They've been such an eyesore. And that is when we'll actually do a long-term review of this product as well. The whole system, the portable station, the no setup workflow, and the cleaning performance, it all works in a way better than I expected. And the fact that I can clean every single window at my place without plugging a single thing onto a wall, that's a win. And most importantly, it works without you babysitting throughout the process. From the second you unbox it, you can get to cleaning right away. It doesn't need to map out the windows or glass you mount it on. And yes, you can even use it on your glass shower door, which I do not have. As long as the surface is compatible, the WINBOT W2 PRO Omni will do the job. So this was a look at the WINBOT W2 PRO Omni by Ecovacs. Ecovacs does run promotions during different seasons of the year, so do check out the link in the description to see what Ecovacs has to offer. Thank you so much for watching. As always, it has been a pleasure. I'll see you in the next one.